Money-making apps let you make money straight from your smartphone. If you are low on cash, try these best money-making apps. At your fingertips you have access to the internet, social media apps, banking and bill pay apps, travel apps, games, music, and more. Why not add apps that will put some extra money in your pocket? Money-making apps like Swagbucks are apps that allow you to earn money from your smartphone. They can be money-saving and cash-back platforms that help you save and earn while shopping, apps to help you manage your money and grow it by investing, and apps that can help you when you want to make additional money working a side hustle. Here is a look at 14 of the best money-making apps available. Swagbucks. The Swagbucks membership platform has more than 20 million members and is considered one of the best paid sites. The site has thousands of surveys and is constantly adding more. There are also opportunities to try free samples, test new products, use digital and printed coupons, and redeem special promo codes. Although there are surveys that could pay $50, Swagbucks finds that easy, general surveys may only take 5 minutes and earn up to $1.50. Swagbucks members who are motivated can expect to earn $100 per month. Those dedicated survey takers put in about a half an hour or more on surveys per day. Inbox Dollars. In operation since 2000, Inbox Dollars has paid its 15,000 plus members more than $59 million in cash rewards for completing surveys. It's free to enroll as a member, and they even give you $5 once you confirm your email address. The survey platform also gives you the opportunity to participate in focus groups and test out new products. Opinion Outpost. Opinion Outpost is not an app but can be easily managed from your smartphone or tablet and has 350,000 subscribers and 3 million new monthly surveys each month. To become a member, reviewers have to be U.S. residents and provide an email address. There are no costs for joining and you can answer as many or as few surveys as you'd like. Branded Surveys. Branded Surveys, a market research community, will pay you gift cards or cash for your opinions. Once you set up an account, which takes just a minute, you'll answer a few quick questions about yourself, so they can pair you with surveys that make sense for your personal demographics. Cashback, coupon apps, making money while spending money? This is not a new concept. Consider your credit cards that provide rewards every time you spend. But actual cash back on purchase and coupons that can save you big on items you were planning to buy, can be enjoyed using a variety of apps. My Points. Members of My Points will find that they earn up to 40% back on their purchases. Members who hit consecutive spending daily goals earn bonus points, as well, from 10 points for shopping 5 days in a row to 200 points for shopping 21 days straight. Just joining the program will earn you a $10 Amazon or Visa gift card. Drop. Drop is ideal for loyalists. If, like many people, you shop at the same few retailers every week, you'll benefit from Drop. Drop's partner brands include Amazon, Walmart, Netflix, Lyft, and Uber Eats, among others. With Drop, you simply shop through the app. Each purchase will earn you points. You don't have to link a debit or credit card to take advantage of some of the offers, but others will require it, so Drop recommends you link a card for the best experience. Capital One Shopping. Capital One Shopping updates products with real-time coupon codes so your online purchases might be cheaper than you expected. A universal product search will also show you the lowest price of an item found amongst competitors. Price drops are also available when waiting for a big-ticket item to go on sale. The platform is part of Capital One's shopping division and gives you cash back on purchases, such as 11% back when you purchase 3 months of Rosetta Stone, 6% cash back and 20% savings at Office Depot on Office Mask products, and 30% off and 8% cash back at JCPenney. That's it for today. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss an update from our side. Thank you.